In this video, I walk you through a vacant property and share some really quick tips on how you can easily and quickly assess the repairs needed for a fixer-upper. Hope you guys enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Here's a quick tip on how to be in and out of a property that you're checking out, a vacant property, right? Any property you go to, don't have to worry about assessing big ticket items. Just already have in your head that that's what you're going to redo. Flooring, all that stuff, already have it in your head, in your budget, that you're going to redo that stuff. So when you come to the property, now all you're focusing on is things like how many windows will you need to replace, you know, any walls you need to knock down, and the mold or things like that. You know, these are things that you typically won't know unless they're in pictures until you come and see the property. But just always assume you have to do new electrical, plumbing, HVAC, roof, for the most part. Like in the front of the house, the windows are fine. When you come back here, clearly that's not the case. So count all the windows that will need to be replaced. Check out the layout, floor, foundation, things like that you won't really know until you come and see the property. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found these tips helpful, and be sure to subscribe to my channel and be on the lookout for videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. And if you'd like to see more property walkthroughs, go ahead and let me know down below in the comments, and I will see you guys in the next one.